The Planyard iPhone app is useful for scanning paper documents, such as invoices, on the site and sending them to Planyard for processing later on. You can also upload files to the Planyard platform directly from your mailbox. To install the app on an iPhone, you first need to open up the App Store and search for Planyard. After installing the app, you should be able to find it on your home screen on one of the pages. When you first open the app, you need to log in with your email and password. After you have done that, you have two options on how to send the documents to Planyard for processing. The first option is from your mailbox. Just open up the preview of the file and click the Share button. After that, choose Planyard. It is possible that you would need to go to under the More option and scroll down to find Planyard. When you did find it, just click on it and after that click Post in the pop-up that opened up. You are shown a list of projects where you can upload the same file to multiple projects at once. In the next screen, you can add any additional information to the file that you would like to see later on. Next, click on the large blue button at the bottom of the page and wait for the files to be uploaded. The files are now uploaded to Planyard and are ready to be processed when you have time again. The second option to upload the files is just to open up the app and click on Select Document. After that, you can choose the file directly from your phone storage. When uploading multiple files to Planyard at once, make sure that you select the correct projects, as Planyard remembers which projects you uploaded to just before. When you are finished, just close the app and go through this process again when you want to upload something to Planyard.